Check out these common hair mistakes that can damage your hair, and we'll tell you how to avoid them. We'll also share with you an amazing detangler that removes knots in your hair and prevents damage. Let's get into it. Using hair products the wrong way. Shampoos, conditioners, hair masks, all your hair products are not produced alike. You have to make sure to consider the needs of your hair before choosing any product. It's important to know what texture and type your hair is, what hair issues your strands are facing, and what they require accordingly. Once you choose the right hair products for you, don't go overboard with them because you want to get results fast. Loading up too much product in your strands will only lead to product buildup and your scalp turning either too oily or dry, leading to clogged up hair follicles and underdeveloped hair growth through those follicles. Your hair does not require layers and layers of all kinds of products. The ideal amount of each product is usually mentioned on the label. Try to use minimal products to avoid product buildup. Moreover, you also have to make sure that your hair products don't contain any toxic or harsh chemicals in them. We love natural and homemade remedies and highly recommend that all ingredients be organic and not GMO as much as possible to avoid chemicals and toxins which can cause harm to your body and hair. A lot of people claim that after ditching harsh hair products and going for natural ways instead, they achieved amazing results. They saw a great amount of hair growth because the breakage of their strands were minimized. They found an added shine to their strands and their natural oils were being distributed evenly throughout as their hair got easier to comb through. Their hair and scalp achieved their best health, and in some cases there was even a complete switch-up in the hair texture, like from straight to curly due to the texture of curls returning after foregoing harsh products. If you're curious about DIY hair products, we've shared a number of homemade hair masks and hair mists for any kind of hair issue, and also tons of natural ways to get beautiful, healthy hair in previous videos. So make sure to head on to those after this one and subscribe to never miss any of these tips in the future. Conditioning hair roots. People with a dry scalp are particularly found to be committing this hair care crime. Conditioner should not be applied on your scalp like your shampoo does. It only needs to be focused on the length of your hair, usually from the ear down. Conditioning your hair from the roots usually will result in an increased buildup and excess oil stimulation, which will make your strands greasy and weigh them down. If you suffer from an excessively dry and flaky scalp, you should exfoliate your scalp with a scrub instead to remove the flakiness. Another great option for your dry scalp is to use a hydrating scalp serum for moisturizing your hair roots instead of applying conditioner to the roots. Washing your hair with hot water. Washing your hair with hot water can strip the natural oils from your hair, leaving it dry and brittle. The heat from the water can also cause hair cuticles to open, which can lead to damage and frizzy hair. Using hot water to wash your hair can also cause your scalp to become dry and itchy, which can lead to dandruff and other scalp issues. It's generally recommended to use lukewarm or cool water to wash your hair, as this can help to preserve the natural oils in your hair and scalp. Cool water can also help to close up the hair cuticles, which can make your hair look shinier and smoother. Just don't go too cold, as it won't help wash the hair properly. Using the wrong kind of hairbrush. Different hair needs different hairbrushes to keep them healthy. Most people don't really look into it before buying these helpful tools for your precious strands and just go for the one that appears the prettiest at the store or the one that saves us a few bucks. But it's important to do a little bit of research on the basic tool you use to style your hair so that it works well for your hair texture. The right hairbrush will improve the texture of your hair, reduce breakage, and eliminate frizz and static while styling your hair. You should look into what kind of bristles work best for your hair. Those with curly strands might prefer a boar bristles brush, which prevent pretty curls from losing their shape. Boar bristles are also very popular among other hair types as well because of its ability to distribute natural oils evenly throughout, leaving your strands moisturized, improving overall hair health, and giving you smooth, shiny hair. You should also look into whether you should opt for a paddle, cushion, or curved brush. A paddle brush works best for long, straight hair, while a round brush is great for medium, thick hair and blow dries. A cushion brush has a rubber base and stiff bristles, so it's best to activate your scalp and brush out dandruff and buildup from your scalp. You can and should own different kinds of brushes for your hair needs accordingly. While looking at brushes, take the time to select the right detangler for your hair type. Check out the new TangleGenie made specifically to detangle hair ranging from type 1A to 3A. This detangler helps the brushing process and protects your hair from damage. You'll be amazed by how easy it gets rid of your tangles. TangleGenie removes the most stubborn knots without pulling and tugging your hair, saving it from breakage, falling out, and more. All thanks to its unique 360-degree flexible bristle design. Be sure to give it a go for a pain-free detangling experience. Your hair will thank you. Having the right tools for your hair is important. If you pay attention to all the factors mentioned above when investing in these essential tools that you use all the time for your hair, you're bound to notice a difference in how your hair looks and feels. If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. This will cause it to be more likely shared with others to help them stop damaging their hair. All thanks to you. Skipping hair trims. If you skip hair trims, you might end up with split ends and breakage. And who wants that? When the ends of your hair become damaged, they can split and continue to split up the shaft of the hair, leading to more and more breakage. Regular trims help to remove split ends, as well as any damaged and uneven pieces of hair, which keeps your hair healthy by preventing further damage from happening. If you want a smooth and healthy appearance, it's best to get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks, or more frequently if you have damaged or chemically treated hair. So don't skip it. Keep your hair looking its best by keeping up with regular trims. Sleeping on a cotton pillowcase. Cotton pillowcases aren't all that bad, but they've been found to strip your hair of their natural oils, which keep your strands and scalp hydrated. Robbing your hair of these oils results in your scalp and hair drying out and leading to breakage of strands. Cotton pillow covers have a rougher surface, so they also contribute to added friction between your strands as you'll move or change sides during your sleep. The friction results in intertwining of your strands and leads to breakage and thinning of your hair. There's a simple solution. Just switch your cotton pillow covers to silk ones and open your eyes to beautiful hair each morning. Another option instead of silk is bamboo pillow covers instead. They are very comfy, breathable, and prevent friction with your hair to a great extent. So your head will rest smoothly over these pillowcases without breakage of strands. So there you have it. Are you making one of these mistakes? Let us know how this video has helped you. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips to boost your hair health. Thanks for watching.